The 2026 Cadillac Optiq-V is here, and it's rewriting the rules of luxury electric performance. From the moment you see it, you know this isn't just another EV, it's Cadillac's next evolutionary leap. With its bold proportions, athletic stance, and unmistakable presence, the Optiq-V demands attention. But when you press that accelerator and feel the surge of 519 horsepower at a staggering 650 pound-feet of instant torque, you realize something deeper. This isn't just about looking powerful, it's about feeling it in every heartbeat, every turn, every silent burst of speed. Welcome to the future of American luxury, reborn through electricity. This is the 2026 Cadillac Optiq-V, and today we're diving into everything that makes it one of the most electrifying SUVs on the market right now. The exterior design of the Optiq-V is pure Cadillac DNA evolved for the modern age. Up front, you've got that signature black crystal grille with animated lighting that greets you as you approach. Slim, vertical LED headlights carve through the darkness, while a sculpted hood and aerodynamic body lines emphasize both elegance and aggression. The roofline flows seamlessly into a sleek rear end where a full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, giving it a futuristic yet unmistakably Cadillac vibe. The proportions are perfectly balanced, 190 inches long, just over 75 inches wide, and standing 65 inches tall on a 116-inch wheelbase. The result is a dynamic silhouette that feels sporty yet substantial, delivering a commanding presence on city streets and highways alike. Step inside, and the Optiq-V welcomes you into a world that feels handcrafted for the modern driver. The cabin blends sustainability and sophistication with premium materials, ambient lighting, and Cadillac's latest curved 33-inch display that stretches across the dash. This massive screen seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system, powered by GM's cutting-edge Ultifi software platform. It's responsive, intuitive, and deeply customizable, letting drivers tailor everything from drive modes to cabin lighting themes. The panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, while the noise cancellation system keeps the cabin whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats ensure comfort on every journey, and a 19-speaker AKG studio audio system surrounds you with immersive clarity, turning every drive into a private concert. Under the skin, the 2026 Optiq-V rides on GM's Ultium platform, an advanced modular EV architecture that underpins Cadillac's electric future. The dual-motor all-wheel drive setup delivers that jaw-dropping 519 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of instant torque, launching this 5,500-pound SUV from 0 to 60 in a blistering 3.5 seconds. That's sports car quick, and the best part? It does it all in near silence. The single-speed transmission ensures seamless power delivery, while Cadillac's engineers have fine-tuned the chassis for an ideal blend of comfort and control. Whether you're gliding down a boulevard or carving up a mountain road, the adaptive suspension reads the road in real time and adjusts damping instantly, giving you both composure and confidence. Range anxiety? Not here. With an EPA-estimated 278 miles of range on a full charge, the Optiq-V strikes a balance between performance and practicality. Fast charging capability allows you to regain around 80 miles of range in just 10 minutes at a DC fast charger, perfect for long road trips or quick top-ups around town. Regenerative braking further enhances efficiency, letting you recapture energy every time you slow down. Technology takes center stage in the Optiq-V. Cadillac's latest Super Cruise hands-free driving system now supports even more mapped highways across North America, letting you cruise effortlessly while sensors and cameras monitor your surroundings. The system can even perform lane changes automatically with a simple tap of the turn signal. Inside, the infotainment interface supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and voice-activated commands powered by natural language recognition. You can even customize your vehicle's digital personality, from lighting to drive feel, to reflect your mood and style. Safety remains a top priority. The Optiq-V includes a comprehensive suite of active driver assistance systems, including forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree HD camera. There's also an advanced night vision system that uses infrared sensors to detect animals or pedestrians beyond your headlights. Every drive feels protected, connected, and composed. Behind the wheel, the Optiq-V delivers a uniquely Cadillac experience, powerful, yet poised. Acceleration is instant and linear, pushing you back into your seat as the world blurs by in serene silence. Steering feels sharp and precise, while the low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution give it remarkable agility for an SUV of this size. Whether you're navigating downtown traffic or exploring open highways, the Optiq-V moves with grace and authority. Starting at $68,795, the 2026 Cadillac Optiq-V delivers incredible value in the premium electric SUV space. It competes head-to-head with models like the BMW iX, Audi Q8 e-tron, and Tesla Model Y Performance, but brings its own distinctly American flair, blending opulence with raw electric muscle. It's bold, confident, and undeniably Cadillac. The future of luxury performance isn't coming, it's already here. The 2026 Cadillac Optiq-V proves that electric power can still deliver soul, sophistication, and excitement. If you've been waiting for a reason to believe in Cadillac's electric vision, this is it. The 2026 Cadillac Optiq-V isn't just an EV, it's a statement of intent.
If you enjoyed this deep dive into Cadillac's latest electric masterpiece, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Gravity Automotive, where we bring you the world's most exciting cars, one review at a time.